Hey, this is Warren of Social Scavenger. If you're like many of our team building clients, you might be at a resort or a destination, you might be the resort or destination, and you offer team building activities at this destination. So you have activities you already offer, you have games you already do, you might even have scavenger hunts, amazing races. What we do is we offer the mobile platform that lets you run those in a more high-tech way, in an automated way, in a really amazing way for your guests. So I was just going to quickly take you through how that works. So what you're looking at on the screen right now on the left is my iPhone. There's the app down there, Social Scavenger. I'll just open it up. This is available for iPhone, Android, and even mobile web. So we could access it on a browser. We could access it on a mobile device like a BlackBerry if we went to their browser, to that m.app.socialscavenger. So people can really access it on any device. Over here at app.socialscavenger.com is the game builder. I should say at this point, if you wanted an entire app white labeled, which means your own microsite, your own app design, you can do that as well. A lot of our clients, though, they'll just run games directly inside of Social Scavenger. What they'll do is they'll sign in, and they'll go to My Games. When they go to My Games, they'll see all of the games that they've created and that they're managing. So let's take a look, and we'll sign in over here on the app to the same game. So time pressure for successful teams. So you can see there's some sample games already in there. Over here we're going to sign in. You can sign in with email, you can sign in with Facebook, you can sign in with Twitter, and you can see the list of games. If we've created custom games to our resort, I can just go into this search field and I can search and find my games. And that's how people will access most of your games if you're using this platform. So time pressure for successful teams has already been set up. It's a game, it's ready to go. Now you've set that up as a template because as different groups come up, you're going to want to give them that same game unique to them. So all you're going to do is you're going to hit this clone button. Now these games have been set up in advance, but we can set up games for you. We can help you build games. You can build your own games or a combination. So now it's telling us my private game's been created. Go ahead and fine tune it. So I can see right here is the copy of the game, and I'm going to go into the settings of this game that's already been set up, and I'm going to edit it a little bit. So let's say time pressure successful team. This is for, Pepsi's day off. So it's time pressure. We're just going to call Pepsi's day off time pressure. And, in this 90-minute game, the Pepsi ad team, if that's who's up at our resort, is going to do this. We can customize it. We can add people's names in there to make it a little more unique to them, whatever we want. We're definitely going to add a new game image in here. We're going to select a file, something we've developed with Pepsi, grab their logo, something like that, load it up. Game entry code, we're going to call it Pepsi Fun Day. And that's it. All the rest of the settings, advanced settings, we're just going to leave them alone. You really don't need to worry about these. A lot of these settings are for brands, agencies. There's stuff in here around moderating content, so we can always delete content after people load it up. But the reality is these people are playing this game, and only the people who sign in can see it. So once we've got it, go ahead and save this game. Now we can see the challenges that are in this game. So we can scroll through if we want to change them, if we want to add something, we can just go and add a new challenge. There's all kinds of video demos on how you add challenges, but it's as easy as, new challenge. But let's call this Pepsi Shake. And we want them to do the Pepsi dance. And that's going to be a video of all these challenge types they can do, and it's going to be worth 20 points because Pepsi Dance is worthwhile. We can load up an image that goes with that if we want to. I'm not going to do that for the sake of just keeping this quick. And we hit save. So now we have another challenge, and we're going to move that one down because we want that to be the third one. So there we go. We've created a new clone version of the game. We're ready to go. People are ready to join it. It's as fast as that. Over here on the actual app side, I'm going to go in and I'm going to search for Pepsi. There's Pepsi's day off. And I haven't loaded an image yet. If I did, it would show up there. Now I'm asked for the entry code, which we made as Pepsi Fun Day. And okay, now I'm going to give it a team name. My team name is Biff, from Back to the Future, of course. And team selfie. There we go. And you generally do that with your full team, and now I'm in the game. So now I can go in, I can see the challenges. You can see we just add that Pepsi Shake challenge. Just simply go in, I'm going to hit complete. It's going to ask me to shoot a movie or choose one if I've saved a Pepsi dance on my camera roll. And it's as simple as that. As I go through and complete challenges, They're going to get loaded up to the live stream. So users are going to be able to come into this live stream and see the challenges. And of course, I'm going to be able to go into the leaderboard and see how my team and other teams are doing. So it's really as simple as that. We get some games built for you, or you build them yourself. They're loaded up, they're ready to go. Anytime you need them, you just come into this My Game section, you clone a game, you edit it, and you're off to the races. For payment, you pay as you go. So you just pay when you use the system. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Be as creative as you want, be unique as you want with them. And if you're ready to offer that kind of service at your resort, feel free to give it a try. When you build a game, there's always one player that can play for free and mess around with it. And then get in touch with us at info@socialscavenger.com if you want to learn more, talk about bigger games, white labels, or anything else. Thanks very much.